Yeah, probably a good idea. Just take it slow today. Don't maybe don't jump into anything immediately. CoreWeave looks vulnerable. I don't like the spread is 25 cents.
این چی بود؟
Oh, look, yeah, really. Rigetti's really dropping now.
Oh, good lord. Oh,
Yeah, GTI is going down really bad, so that's interesting.
Samsung
Tesla is going down.
نوشته که سامسونگ چقدر رفت سامسونگ back to minus. چیزو گرفت نوشین 2 ثانیه
Yeah, oil is kind of breaking out here.
نوشین 2 ثانیه یه چیزی هست مثل دور خودش چرخیده
Guys, patience, guys. Remember, patience. Don't jump into anything that you don't have a trade book.
یکی هم هست مثل سر مثل همیشه
We're gonna find something really good. NVIDIA. Did you sell Tesla puts by the way yesterday? Did it work?
I didn't sell any, no. Actually, yeah, no, I did, and then I stopped out of them because Tesla started to sell off. I had a stop set. Thanks for reminding me. That was a losing trade.
Was it 380?
Yeah. They would have actually made me money at the end of the day, but didn't know that.
Well, because we closed that.
Obviously.
Closed just right at 380, huh? Yeah.
I know.
I posted my watch list. It's not super crazy. It's the usual suspects that I'm having right now.
الان شنیدم
Jared, what are you thinking? Jared looking at SPY levels. He's looking for 30 minutes to see if he can find something.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
USO looks like it's. Here we go. Ding, ding, ding.
Ding, 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 ding. All right, so let's see what Tesla is doing. Let's figure out where the volume is. PLTR opened strong. Market Atlas and PLTR. 162.
دیگه اینا رو میشنم اون نمیشنه که دیگه اینا رو فیلتر زدن
Tesla Atlas 379.
Tesla stalled at the VWAP.
380 is the level, yeah. Tesla.
AMD is PLTR popped a little.
Tesla. I'm going to get a long on Tesla, 379.26. See if you can get a 1 minute range break up toward 380. There are some resistances up there, like moving averages, but we'll take the bullet. 380. Similar pattern is a PLTR. That's the Atlas of PLTR, 163. I'm going to get a long on PLTR to 160.150. See if these two can pop. Tesla 380 Atlas is not super clear, but okay, so let's see if Tesla can go green. It's green. All right, Tesla 381. I'm partialing now. PLTR is still no. SPY is popping off. Let's see if Tesla can continue to move higher.
کسی که منو شهید کرده تجربه
I'm long Tesla, guys. I think a little bit more on it here. See if you can get to 382. Opened up a 5-minute open is strong.
I'm long with you on Tesla.
چیزه
See if we can get a break above PDC here.
Oh, Nvidia is going up nicely. PLTR, I'm getting out of it. PLTR got stopped out. I was long PLTR as well.
راست میگی
PLTR turned out to be garbage. PLTR opened the strong, but it's losing it. It might come back up. I might add it, but for now, just it looks like Tesla daily chart. 382. I have some orders at 385, so I don't know if it gets there or not. Partially more at 382.
I'm trading the 380 calls. Just sold some at 565. I'm in at 480.
Occidental Petroleum, Oxy's up. Yeah, Oxy's is strong.
AMD is strong.
Nvidia is pulling back. AMD also opened strong, yeah. I want to see if Tesla can get to 385. By the look of it, seems to me we might. SPY is at the VWAP. Selling more here at 383, 382.50, sorry.
Long some AMD as well.
Yeah, beautiful.
Here we go. Look at that. Beauty, beauty, beauty.
AMD is going to go to 205.
Yeah, I think so. Here we go. All right. Tesla's looking good.
Nice 384 and Tesla I want. PLTR is really going downside. Market is at the VWAP. Let's see if the SPY can hold the VWAP or not. I'm adding a little bit more on Tesla. Let's see if we can get to 385. Atlas is there at 385.
Selling some. Oh, I'm just selling some more here. $7 on these calls.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah.
I'm selling some order at 385 and 384.50. Tesla turned out to be really a great trade.
Yeah.
Should have added more.
And I was sort of tempted to go short. Glad I didn't do that. All right, we're getting close to yesterday's high on Tesla.
Yeah, 385 is a possibility. Tesla is doing a 5-minute pin range breakup. PLTR is going downhill. 385 is the yesterday high. So let's see if you can. Adding a little bit more on Tesla here. Sure, it didn't get filled. Adding a little more here. See if you can get the 385. SPY is trying to come back up to the VWAP. NVIDIA looks like it wants to go back up, but I don't want to stay away from it. PLTR is going south really fast.
Come on, Tesla. Getting out of my my AMD trade. It's made a little on that. Just want to focus on Tesla. Oh, 750 now on these calls. Just gonna sell some more here just because we're at yesterday's high.
Tesla is going to go to 385 for sure. The Atlas is there.
Yeah, I just don't like this. Yesterday's high is going to be it's going to be a bit of a challenge to get through probably.
I put some order 385.50. It's going to go.
Yeah, there are some big orders to the upside on Tesla.
Right, NVIDIA could be launched.
Now AMD is going to move.
NVIDIA 217. I'm going to get some long NVIDIA 173.38. See if NVIDIA can go red to green for 176.
NVIDIA is trying to go green.
Let's see, Tesla. Ayman, what did you trade? AMD, nice. Oh, lovely. Nice AMD. AMD 205 is going to go. The Atlas, yeah, 205, 206 are very strong. Let's see if NVIDIA, it looks like NVIDIA is going downhill.
SPY and Qs are rolling over.
So market access is the same as gas level 2, but we have a timestamp on it, so you can see actually, you know, over the time what is happening with them. All right, I'm gonna get out of NVDA at 175. Yeah, I stopped down on NVDA 175.13 because NVDA couldn't hold it. I'm still having Tesla.
Yeah, I've got a small size. I'm just thinking about getting out of the rest of it now.
PLTR is dropping really hard. Let's see where the bottom on PLTR is. I already had the last
Yeah,
one.
PLTR is dropping. I'm short the SPY.
Tesla. Adding a little bit more on Tesla here, 383.77. My average, I bring my average to 381. See if you can get to that 385, that would be a really good move.
Qs are dropping.
Yeah, PLTR
SPY
is.
should follow. Here we go. Just covering some of the SPY. I'm just trading puts right now on the 650s.
Wow, NVIDIA is dropping like a
Yeah.
boss.
Q's dropping, SPY follows.
Hold on tight, guys. Hold on tight. All right. PLTR is dropping. The only position I have, guys, is Tesla long still. My average is 381.
Nice, Doug.
We get to 385. Still 385 orders up there, Market Atlas. I'm gonna have a presentation tonight, guys, about Market Atlas as well. So we're gonna talk about how to use that. Wow, NVIDIA is trying to bounce back. Oh, that was a big bounce from NVIDIA. I'm gonna get back on long on NVIDIA 175. See if NVIDIA can bounce back above the VWAP. Looks like closing the doji, you can see. It's PLTR doing.
Yeah, I'm flat on everything right now. Out of the SPY short trade. I'm out of Tesla. I'm out of AMD. Glad I got out of AMD.
Vil, I'm gonna take a PLTR long too at 156.15. I wanna see if PLTR does a quick bounce here as well. Although S4 is at 153.81, so I might get out of it and then come back. Okay, yeah, I might. Actually, I'm getting out of PLTR. I'll wait until PLTR goes to S4 and then maybe I take a long run. See if NVIDIA. Tesla is still fighting back. 385 is a big order.
Still got some big orders to the upside on Tesla. Atlas still looks pretty bullish.
Yeah. I have some orders.
I'm just had a couple of good trades. I don't need to go crazy here.
SPY bounce back from S3. PMI is coming. All right, PMI is coming a little bit higher than forecast, but it's still lower than previous ones. All right, here we go. Let's see what's gonna happen. Benzinga is announcing it, so. All right, NVIDIA. I'm long NVIDIA and Tesla. I want to see NVIDIA can pop back up.
Tesla pulled back exactly where I thought it would, right at yesterday's high. If NVIDIA can get through the VWAP here, it's still got the still got PDC to deal with. So we're getting a bit of a bounce on the Qs and SPY.
All right, if NVIDIA can go above the VWAP, can go green, I think. Market is popping back up a little bit.
The LTR is coming back here.
NVIDIA is trying to go back up. I'm adding a little bit more on NVIDIA, see if you can go red to green. So the 5 minute is becoming bullish. 174, that is not really that clear thing. Oh, Tesla 386. I got partial at Tesla, guys.
Nice.
Very nice. 386 on Tesla. I sell 200
There you
shares.
go. Now it's breaking new high of day.
Nice. Putting order Tesla
Yeah.
386.50.
Yeah, Market Atlas is leading the way.
For Tesla, yeah, 387 now orders are there.
Yeah.
Let's see if NVIDIA can also get the VWAP. Tesla is pulling back from 386. Things are really pulling back. PLTR has no bottom, huh? Maybe S4 is the bottom on PLTR. 153.81. Tesla, I'm still long on Tesla. My average is at 381, so just below the VWAP, I'm gonna get a stop out. Yeah, it's a big rejection on Tesla. Qs. SPY and Qs are hovering around the low of the day.
Yeah. Just did a quick scalp on the Qs, or the SPY, I should say, that rejection. I think the Qs are looking like they're heading lower, but I'm not sure. We're not quite at low of day yet. But it looks like, certainly looks like we're weak.
All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of NVIDIA as well. NVIDIA is really dropping down. So NVIDIA rejected really bad. So ES and NQ are heading down, futures. We'll see where the
Oxy had a nice little pop up there. Definitely in a downtrend. Moving averages are sloping lower.
All right, I'm getting out of my Tesla position, guys. Cancel all of it. Tesla was the only profitable trade that I did today. PLTR is heading down, NVIDIA is heading down. Market is really rolling over, so PLTR Yeah, PLTR was a crazy sell-off. Nobody was expecting that.
Yeah.
Blood everywhere.
Made a new low on the Qs, came back up.
Brian, buying some TQQ. Are you in this with me? I bought some
I'm not
TQQ.
sure about that. I mean, I still don't like the direction we're headed. We're still sort of don't see any reason to
Exxon
be
Mobil is
bullish yet.
Exxon Mobil, Exxon. Yeah, oil companies. Exxon Mobil is great. Yeah, oil companies are the winners.
Yeah, Oxy had a nice pop at the open.
NVIDIA can stop me out twice. Now it's trying to. Now it's pretty choppy. Disgusting. Tesla stopped me out. Now it's coming back. PLTR. I was hoping to get a reversal on PLTR at the S4. Hasn't
Yeah,
happened.
maybe yesterday's low. It's getting close to there now.
Yeah, yesterday low is just 153. Just for the S4, but let's see if this wave of sell-off has ended or not. Microsoft is doing really bad. They're dumping Microsoft every day.
Yeah. No love.
No love for Microsoft.
No love for Microsoft.
What's Amazon doing? Amazon was also really oversold. Alright, let's see if PLTR can go lower so we can get a reversal on PLTR at S3, S4, 153.81. It's kind of reaching to a point that it looks like it's exhausted. Very nice.
Oh yeah. Try long on that on the Qs. Or I should say the SPY. See if we can we seem to be holding here.
Q. Tesla's trying to come back up with the view app. SPX. My next trade would be a PLTR. Potentially, let's get the PLTR below S4 so we can take a reversal on PLTR. I already had a few losses on it, but a small. Manage the losses.
Long SPY. Let's see if we can come up here. Oh, here we go. Beauty. Beauty.
Wow,
Look
what
at
is
that.
what happened?
I don't know. I just know that it popped up.
What happened?
Diddly doodly. Diddly doodly. Take some off there. Take some off on that pop. Just let the rest go. I scalped them once this morning, the SPX options. Right now, I'm just trading SPY calls, 650s. It's a little less stressful.
RDGT. Benzin going down saying. All right, PLTR is trying to find the bottom. Qs are trying to find the bottom. I'm ready to take a reversal on PLTR very soon. See if we can do one more breakdown. TQQ is going up, Brian. I told you to buy some TQQ.
I did. I bought SPY instead. Just had to feel like we're putting in a bottom here. What's oil doing? Oil's kind of hanging around 115 USO. Apple's green on the day.
Apple, Tim Cook is so out of job, huh? They're gonna kick him out.
Here we go. We're moving on up slowly. Did you buy TQQ?
I am long TQQ, and I'm long the NVIDIA as well. So I want to see if NVIDIA
Nice.
can squeeze above the VWAP 175.
Here we go. Look at this. All right. Sell some more 650 calls at 320. So you just had to feel like this being in a bit of a bottom here.
Do you think PLTR
Tesla's
is
coming back. Yeah, Tesla's coming back up too.
I really want to get a long on PLTR. All right, so let's see if NVIDIA can go red to green. I'm long NVIDIA from 174.90. SPY popped up.
Yeah, rock on. Rock on, man.
All right, NVIDIA orders. PLTR is still going down. SPY, ooh, wow, Tesla pops back up nicely.
Yeah, I saw that.
Tesla
Kind
might
of
go
missed. Unfortunately, I kind of missed that. That was a bit of, you know what? That was a 920 trade. Didn't even kind of slip by me there.
Oh shit, Tesla's gonna go for break of 500.
Yeah, Tesla's on the move, baby. Go, girl.
Wow, Tesla is repeat. 386 over the roof. Nice, Scott. Your long Tesla, huh? Very nice. PLTR. I want to see if PLTR can give us something to work with.
LTR is stuck.
Alright, so PLTR is stuck. Maybe that's why it could be a good long. I'm gonna take a long on PLTR, 154.85. SPY is trying to go back now. PLTR 154.67. It's so close to S4, but it doesn't go lower. PLTR is trying to go to S4.
Yeah, it's still dropping.
Alright, so Nvidia didn't pop up above the VWAP, so it seems that the market doesn't really have momentum to the upside, just setting. Set off.
Yeah. No, we're still we're below the VWAP on the Qs, and we're just above. We're just above the VWAP on the SPY now. So it's a nice little pick off. The one thing that's going on right now, it looks like USO is dropping. Which means oil prices are dropping, which could be a good thing for the markets, that is.
Alright, I'm getting out of Nvidia, guys, again. That's the fucking this is Nvidia. It's impossible to trade.
Apple's green, AMD's green. Obviously, Tesla's green. Tesla looks like it wants to go higher.
Yeah, Tesla is the only strong one.
I mean, it should benefit from high oil prices.
Right, PLTR reversal. Still long. Looks like it really wants to find the bottom at near S4. Come on, PLTR.
Big orders on.
See PLTR is holding. See if you can adding a little bit more on PLTR. See if you can pop up to 156. SPY SPY making a new high. $6.53. SPY is going to high today. That's nice.
Yeah, I know. I'm still long some SPY calls. There we go. Look at this. Look at this move on Tesla. Nice. Boom.
Wow, SPY is ripping. Look at that.
Yeah. Rock on. Now I'm wishing I'd traded SPX calls. What was I thinking?
The president tweeted something.
Every time I look at Jared's profile picture, I laugh. He's got to get a hat like that. Seriously.
Who? Oh, Jared, huh?
Yeah, that hat just suits him.
Come on, PLTR. I'm still long PLTR. I want to see if you can get a pop. This SPY stays strong.
Great picture.
Jared and Megan.
Nice, Nate.
PLTR, pop up.
Yeah, no, at one point I was short, I shorted SPY too. I shorted SPX using SPX puts, made some money, and then it just started to find a bottom here at 650. And now I'm long here, 650 calls. And they're trading at $4.20 now.
Tesla was a great trade. You should have sticking to trade Tesla.
A nice bounce back here. Tesla still has some big orders here. 686, 87, 88. Really big one at 90, 390.
PLTR, I'm going to get out of it. PLTR is not ready for the reversal still.
Yeah, PLTR is just not finding the love.
No, I think it does, but not now. I'm going to get out of it. I think it's going to go toward the 153, so below S4. Just, they really sold off 5% PLTR today, huh?
Yeah. See, look at how PLTR just dropped and then kind of meandered its way over to the 9 EMA, and just as soon as it got there, it rejected and dropped lower. That is such a classic setup. Nine EMA 2-minute chart. Yeah, Nvidia's really not done much. And AMD is choppy. Yeah, Tesla was the trade du jour. Apart from
So what's the best rate?
the SPY trade was pretty good too.
All right, PLTR is not going toward this support. So it could be a good support around this area with PLTR, but it just started a fresh wave of sell-off. So
PLTR could be it's at yesterday's low right now. What does Market Atlas look like? Kind of it's got a lot of orders to the upside.
on which one?
PLTR.
PLTR is 152 is a big order, so it looks like it's want to go down to the 152. Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't go short on it, long on it anymore. So this looks like just keeps
Yeah.
selling off.
Yeah.
Just to
To
start
get
off
out of the
fresh.
rest of my SPY calls here. Scotty. Hilarious. Yeah, we rejected pretty close to yesterday's low on the SPY and the Qs.
I need to stand up to show them who's in charge. Good morning, Majib. You missed the whole party, huh? You came late. Brian. So PLTR is finally finding a bottom around this level, huh?
Yeah, maybe right around here.
52.
Okay, getting a bounce on the SPY.
IGV. SMCI is doing nothing. PLTR, yeah, PLTR looks like it's finding the bottom here.
Could be. It's just always suspicious until we break above the 9 EMA. Right. Well, let's see where we're definitely sort of settling into a trading range here. I'm not seeing anything that I am excited about trading right now.
Alright, so TLTR looks like it's finding the bottom here. Should we go long again, PLTR?
It does look a little bit more interesting this time.
Alright, I'm gonna go long again, PLTR, 153.70. See if you can this time get a pop. In this in the support level, what's Qs are doing? Qs are the VWAP, SPY.
Qs aren't doing much of anything right now.
They are dumping Microsoft too, huh? The hype is over on AI and everything.
Yeah. I think ChatGPT recognized this relationship with Microsoft as a vulnerability.
They're wasting so much money together, huh?
Yeah. I think their dependency on Microsoft, maybe, I don't know.
Let's see if PLTR can give us a reversal. NVIDIA is also super
All right.
good.
Well, I'll try PLTR here. I want to support you any way I can.
Buy the dip for me, huh?
It's trying to hold here.
Everything looks like it's trying to hold. But,
yeah, Qs are starting to lift. Same with the SPY. Tesla's coming back up again.
Tesla's trying to hold. Yeah, PLTR, we'll see what it's gonna do. Looking at NVIDIA, to NVIDIA is really not anything. What did AMD do? AMD is sold off, huh? It's holding because of VWAP. What's CRCL doing? Wow, CRCL is selling off really bad.
Yeah, CRCL. Oh, wow. Yeah. Come on, PLTR. It's still struggling to get above the 9 EMA on the 2-minute chart. Needs to break through there.
All right, PLTR. It seems that it's fading even this time.
Yeah, again, it's a moving averages, and the SPY and the Qs are rolling over.
Gary, yeah, well, we're trying to catch a reversal on a support level, but yeah, it's tricky to find reversals in this weak market. It is tricky. It's possible to catch reversals if it's really extreme, but you know, I don't want to short PLTR right now. I don't want to short anything right now because it seems that the wave of sell-off has been done, so it's a little bit tricky.
PLTR, there's some buyer there.
It's trying to
There
hold
we
this
go.
level.
Yeah, it's trying to hold.
Yes, that is-
There we go. It's moving up a little bit. Come on.
All right, here we go. Come on, PLTR. You can pop.
Hey, look at that. It's going. It's going to go. That seller needs to step out of the way. 153.50.
SPY is just above the VWAP. It's holding. Some other stuff. Walmart is hitting the scanner. That's up. A strong going up. Walmart, that's nice. Retail is going strong, huh? Walmart is just going up. APA Corporation is going up. Wow. APA is pretty strong.
Let's
Are you
see
still
what's.
working on Brian?
Yeah, I'm still there.
Nice. Microsoft, they're still sitting Microsoft on. They sold another 3% of Microsoft. The bubble is really bursting on everything, huh?
Seems like it. Yeah. Gotta get some resolution on that conflict, so the ships can at least start moving again. But you know, there's been people keep talking about the damage has been done to the global economy already.
I don't know about that. They said that about Liberation Day too.
Yeah, yeah. Well,
Just
yeah. I mean, the market is a forward looking vehicle, right? So still need data centers. We still need those data centers to make pictures.
All right, so new wave of buying is coming to SPY. It's going toward the high of today. Let's see if this
Yeah,
freaking
yeah.
PLTR.
Here we go. PLTR. Still holding here. Still a seller at 53.50. Qs and SPY are bouncing. Wow, Tesla's back near high of day here. Let's get some orders to fill.
Yeah, Tesla looks like it's the only one that is really keep on pushing. Should we get back in Tesla? This PLTR doesn't get us anything. Tesla's over at 390. Still shopping here. Microsoft.
I'm losing hope at PLTR.
Yeah, me too. Still holding this level. SPY is still holding above the VWAP. Higher time frame, 15 minutes. Hopefully we're gonna go for a new high in 15 minutes. Tesla is also struggling. The high.
And Tesla's done nothing in the last 10 or 15 minutes.
CRCL is keeps setting off. This is the CRC. CRCL is the one that has the treasury. Is the treasury for crypto? For the Tether? Is that the one? This one is really setting
No,
off.
isn't that
Stable coin? Yeah, David, that's the one. Wow, there's no button to that. That's also really scary sell-off.
Apple's a green on the day? Gold went green. This PLTR is like watching paint dry. I think I'm going to get out of it.
You baiting, Brian?
Yeah. I don't like the way we're just staying here. And the trend is still down.
Yeah, I guess too bad. I guess I gotta get down too. Use the button on PLTR. Alright, so you're right. We are going to get out of PLTR. Oh. Yeah, I had a pretty bad day, except that Tesla trade just skipped loss. SPY is trying to go back up to the high of the day. What's Tesla doing?
Yep.
I think it's 10:30, so it's a little bit difficult also for the time of the day to get really nice breakouts. Jared, what did you trade? Longest buy near pre-market low. Very nice. SPY looks like it wants to go for the high of the day.
There we go. SPY is breaking out now.
SPY.
SPY is back at high of day. Interesting. Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna get a long on Tesla, 385. See if we can go one more time for the high of the day. Just because I'm bored. There's really no setup. Just because I need to do something. Alright, MIDI is popping up too. MIDI is going back up too. Put a stop loss in Tesla below the VWAP.
AMD and NVIDIA are kind of popping up.
What about the Qs? Still below the VWAP. That was a trick move.
We're going to get 65.80.
Wow, PLTO is still going down. So
Yeah, that's what I was worried about. Couldn't get above the 9 EMA. There was definitely a seller there at 153.50.
Oh. Alright, so Tesla, I'm getting out of Tesla. Shit. Yeah, I'm getting out of Tesla, guys. Yeah, I had a pretty bad day, so Jesus will. I'll stay away from trading. I'll take a break quickly, guys. I'll be back.
Oil is popping up again.